Welcome to CoderNotepad, the ultimate in-browser notepad built just for developers, analysts, and anyone who works with text. Tired of copying and pasting texts between editors? Manually cleaning up data? Hunting through lines for keywords? Traditional notepads just don't cut it. Meet CoderNotepad, a web-based text playground that puts powerful programmer-friendly tools right at your fingertips. No installs, no lag. Split large blocks of text by delimiter or quickly trim whitespace. From every line, filter by keyword or remove duplicate lines with a click. Sort alphabetically or numerically ascending or descending. Extract emails, URLs, money values, and Marato parsed from your text. Need dummy data? Generate random text for testing. Encrypt or decrypt text with built-in ciphers for quick obfuscation. Fetch web page content directly into your Notepad door. Share snippets instantly with QuickShare. CoderNotepad lives in your browser lightning fast. No page reloads. And all your work saved in local storage or your own server. Head to CoderNotepad.com. On any modern browser, desktop, or mobile land, start editing smarter today. No sign-up required for most features. Ready to supercharge your text editing? Try CoderNotepad now. Hit subscribe for tutorials. It's free. Try today.